Okay, this is me. And
we'll be sure to say a nice eulogy if
oh, that's not nice. All right.
You are brave.
Okay,
Go take a picture of yourself. Oh, your camera's attached to you. That's smart. I was wondering.
Okay, here we go. Everybody say a prayer for me, please. Espérame, que quiero agarrar esto para que me agarre la cámara así. Ahí está. Okay, alright. Say hello to my little friend. Woo! This is crazy. ¡Qué bien! Ay, 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 ¿y eso? ¿Me asustó? Oh, man, this is awesome. Ahí va. Ok.
Ahora sí.
Ahora.
Eso es.
Oh.
Perfecto.
Ok.
Hasta abajo, por favor, ¿no?
Ok, gracias. Oh, this is cool, man. All right, that was my number 7 or 6. ¿Es el 7 o el 6? 7. Esa era la mejor, ¿verdad? Oh, okay. That was crazy. You can see the whole city from there. Oh, be careful.
Whoa! Oh, yeah!
All right.
That was what the heck is that thing?
I know, it did the same thing to me. I got scared.
Yeah, I definitely get that.
Ah, listo, vamos, vamos, dele, usted, dele. Aquí. Ok.
That was
Ah, sí, deberían de tener allá también.
¿A dónde?
Allá en los otros,
lo
para
más
acá.
alto.
Sí.
Ok.
Solo, perdona que...
No, no hay problema, no hay problema. Solo que a veces con cuidado porque hay unos cables que son un poco rápidos para sacar video, a veces es necesario utilizar 2 manos.
Sí, ahí la suelto yo.
Sí, correcto.
Solo, ¿cómo sería la mejor manera?
Así sería bien, así porque como esta mano iría sujeta a esto. Ajá. Ya está.
Ya.
Okay.
Viene.
Vamos.
Vamos. ¡Wow! This is crazy! Oh my God, look down there! Look over there! Estoy filmando. Qué bien, man. Esto está
Todo bien, va.
Espera, ahí va. ¿Salto?
Dale. Eso.
Ahí está. Gracias.
Muy bien.
Ahí está. Ah, nice. That guy's. He's like, oh.
Whoa, look at him go. Look at that guy go.
Yeah, he's going fast. Did I go fast or no? No, you didn't see me, right?
No, I didn't.
No. Qué bueno que no comimos antes. Good that we didn't eat before. You know?
Oh, man. Are you going? Yeah.
Dale usted porque yo vine más después. Go ahead, you go.
Oh, man. Well,
Yeah, you know what? You gotta try to keep it next to your helmet.
oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, boy.
Oh man.
Wow.
I gotta say, this is a lot more secure than I thought it was gonna be.
Me too.
Look at the clouds. They're moving like so fast.
It's amazing.
Oh, somebody's. Look.
Go, Eddie!
Woo! Viva la Canada! Oh, watch out. Oh my, oh nice! She's doing tricks.
I turned sideways so I could look at it. It was so amazing. Yeah, too. So